Hey, hi, this is Vineeth. I have around 3.5 years of teaching experience where I've taught so many 6th to 10th class students, especially mathematics, physics, and chemistry. My hobbies are, I'm a history lover basically, so my hobbies are watching web series that are related to historical backgrounds. Uh, I like reading books, especially thriller novels. So that's it about myself, my quick intro. Coming to the question where what motivates to me to become a teacher is because I need to understand the student of zeal to learn new things. So that really pushes a student to learn every day as a new experience moving forward. Senior secondary time period for every student, it's a fortunate time period for every student because in this period a student will learn all kinds of subjects, be it maths, physics, chemistry, and those are the foundation pillars, be it professionally, be it personally. So I want to be part of that in order to make student learn what is it all about with the help of the recent technology. So that really is the motivation point that pushes me myself to become a teacher. Now coming to the demo part, I have selected polynomials as a demo lecture here. So let me start with that. So generally we are aware of polynomials. So polynomials are nothing but a kind of an algebraic expression. So if you see here, so this is the equation. After the lecture you will come to know what is this equation is all about, and if after breaking the terms you will come to know what all these things, all the stuff that comes under play. So these are all the main the contents for this demo. The first thing is definition. So as I said earlier, polynomials are kind of an algebraic expressions mainly. So if I divide the polynomial into two words, poly means many, nomial in the sense terms. So an expression, an algebraic expression mainly which has many terms, we'll call that as a polynomial. So generally a polynomial has three kinds of we can divide polynomials into three types: segregate, variables, constants, and expressions. So variables in the sense not numeric terms, be it the alphabets, be it the Roman letters, be it alpha, beta, or whatever may be, but it should not be a constant, be a number. Coming to the consonants, so any term which is a numeric, that we call as a constant. So hopefully you know about the exponents which you might have learned in your previous classes. For example, when I say an expression which has x power 4, here 4 is termed as an exponent. So all these that falls under a polynomial. Coming to the next content, that is the notation, which is very important in polynomial. So polynomial expression basically it is a polynomial function basically. So if you look here, it's p of y is equal to 8y cube plus 9y square minus 7y plus 3. So when I mention y here, all the variables will be of y type. So in other words, informally I would say if this is of y family, all the variables will fall under y thing. So the notation of polynomial is very important in order it's to move away the confusion. Next part is degree of polynomial. So as I said, polynomial has exponent part of it. So what is degree of polynomial? So if you look this expression, p of b is equal to 11b cube plus 8b square minus 19. So what is the highest power here? 3 is the highest power. So for this polynomial, when I say what is the degree of polynomial for this given polynomial expression, I say 3. So for any expression, so the highest degree, the highest exponential power, we call that as a degree of polynomial. So this degree of polynomial is segregated into various ways. First is zero polynomial, which in the sense x power 0. X power 0 is nothing but basically it's 1, right? So linear, degree of freedom, quadratic, cubic, and quartic. So here linear in the sense you have power 1, quadratic power 2, cubic power 3, and quartic power 4. So coming to the next topic, it's about terms. So again, when it comes to, I am taking new polynomial expression here. P of y is equal to y cube plus 25y square minus 2. Now here, each and every term I have divided into a terms with the help of mathematical operators. So what are the mathematical operators here? Plus, minus. Most of the cases, most of the polynomial expressions has mathematical operators, be it addition and subtraction, multiplication in rare cases, and division in very rare cases, which we might not see right now. So as I said earlier, the terms here is y cube plus 25y square and minus 2. And touching our previous topic, what is the degree of polynomial for this? It is 3. So this is it. So coming to the final topic for this, the types of polynomial, it is of 3 types basically: monomial, binomial, and trinomial. So as I said in the earlier, so polynomial is nothing but many terms. So when I say terms, when you have a single term, I say it as a monomial. If you see here, this is 8x, it's a single term. 9b square, 10c, single term. Next, binomial, when you have 2 terms, again, those 2 terms are separated by a mathematical operator, by addition and subtraction. So 9z square plus 8 and 6y square minus 7. The last part, the last type of polynomial is trinomial, where you have 3 terms. Here you could see there are 3 terms which are divided by, again, the mathematical operators. So this is a brief intro of polynomial. With this, I conclude the demonstration on the polynomials. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.